Hello, and today I am here with a video about the pink stuff. This is the Cleaning Miracle Paste, and it is really great. I've been seeing it online and I thought I'd try it out. And I tell you, it works on just about anything. Clothes, if you're trying to get like a tiny spot out, I find it really good for that. If there are stains on the wall you cannot get, it works on almost everything, and all you really need is a little bit of the paste and a wet rag. And so I do want to demonstrate here. This is what the paste looks like. I've used quite a bit. I'm going to be doing it on this stain right here I got on my bag. As you can see, it's pretty dry. It's not coming off with just the paste. You just get a wet rag. And the best part about it, it really does not leave any residue, like any pink residue, as you think it would, even on clothes. So as you can see, it is basically gone now. You can see a little bit of it, but just add a little more and then scrub and it'll go away. There we go. I hope this video was really helpful, and I highly recommend the pink stuff.